Hello, so we are back, and this time we have a nice laptop to repair. Asus ROG, Ryzen 7 and RTX graphics. Now the problem with this one, let's see the customer email. So the customer is saying, ROG Strix, looks like the backlight for the screen is not working. The laptop seems to be fine, it's just the light that illuminates the screen not powering on. So what the customer is saying, actually the laptop is working, but no backlight. Let's see, let's check. Pressing the power button. I'm curious. Yeah, I heard the startup sound. Check here, and the caps lock is working. But yeah, I cannot see any picture on the screen, nothing. Yeah, I seen a logo here. Okay, so we don't have backlight. I would say the easiest way, instead of opening the screen, I would say the easiest way is to open the laptop and check the backlight voltage. Most likely it's an issue with the backlight voltage. Not always, but most likely. Wow, I mean, check those fans. I mean, the fans are clogged with dust. You can see that. I mean, this is a miracle. Actually, this laptop is still working. So you see, that's how the gaming laptops are dying. Yeah, that's how they just think. Yeah, if the fans looks like that, how is the heatsink? Okay, let's diagnose the laptop first. Let me unplug the battery. Disconnecting the screen. And let's go under the microscope and see what we have there. I cannot see a lot. So what we can see here. So this is the 3.3 clearly. You remember the switch? We spoke about this switch on the other video. So here is 3.3. And not sure where is the 19. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stick up one probe to the main power rail, and I'm assuming the main power rail must be there, must be here. Yeah. Let's see if it's beeping. It's beeping here. We have 0 ohms. So the main power rail, let me get close. Yeah, you can see we have 3 pins together here. This one, and this one. Yeah, so this is plus. So the main power rail is present on the screen connector. And that's bad. That means the issue is not from the laptop. It's actually from the screen. That sucks. Means we have to open the screen. Yeah, definitely not a easy pizza. Yeah, the laptop is working, but no picture on the screen. How we can take this screen out? It's stuck on the screen is stuck with the frame. That's crazy. Huh? Or not? Huh? It's not stuck with the frame? Let's see if we can open the screen. I mean, here on the top, it was stuck. And here on the bottom is stuck also. Yeah, check that. It's stuck with some glue. Perfect. Now let's take out the screen and have a look. I mean, check there. You can see the screen connector is slightly out. You can see it now. So that's what happened. That's why this screen doesn't have backlight. Now the solution is very simple. We have to push back the connector. Yeah. And that's all. The laptop is repaired. Let's see. Pressing the power button and nothing happened. Probably the battery is low. But let's see with the power supply. With the power supply, pressing the power button and it's coming on. We have picture, huh? What do you think about that? Yeah, we have picture. Perfect. Yeah, the battery is not charging. No, it's not charged. It's going to zero because I don't have enough current. Yeah, so with Asus, you need a proper charger. Looks like the charger has a charger ID pin. No, it's going to zero. No. We cannot do it like that. Let's charge the battery. Yeah. That's what you can do if you don't have the right charger. It's taking like 2.4 amps, which is okay. Let's charge the battery a little bit. Okay, so we charge the battery. Let's see if the laptop is coming on. Yeah, it is coming on. I will hold the power supply here so we can push some current into the battery. But it's working fine, you can see. No, I cannot trigger the charging because I don't have the power supply. But the screen has backlight. Yeah, so that's how you fix a backlight issue. I mean, the customer was quite lucky with this one. Not sure what happened with the cable. I cannot explain that. You can see the cable has some wiggling, so it's nothing like the cable can be pulled from inside. No. I'm not sure why that connector comes out. I have no idea. Probably from flexing the screen. That's possible. That's possible. Yeah, quite an easy one. Now the thing, what you ask yourself, yeah, I'm gonna go outside. I will clean the fans and the heatsink, and hopefully this laptop it will live longer. Otherwise, this laptop it will be back in months with a shorted MOSFET. Anyway, I'm happy I helped the customer. I will say thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye. Hey, if you find my content being helpful, don't forget you can support this channel by pressing the join button, and you can get instantly access to our members only cool collection and Discord private channels for support with your repairs. Also, you can have a look on our United Kingdom eBay, where you can find some cool and unique products, United States eBay store, or our Patreon page. Thank you.